Are you going to talk to us and tell us how sick you are?
No.
No.
Go ready.
Yeah?
Stay.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah?
Wait.
Are you really sick? It's that right ear, huh?
This way.
Yeah. Are you going to take a picture of me?
What? Got it. Good. Uh, uh.
Puppies, are you snuggled up with Papa? Oh. Hello. Hi. You stinker. That has passed out around you, huh? Are you feeling better, Holland? We're gonna hit Daddy and wake him up. You waking Daddy up. Dada! Yeah? Is he sleeping? Is Dada sleeping? Holland, am I gonna go get some medicine for you so you all better? Yeah, all better. I know, you had a long day. Yeah. Yeah? You wouldn't tell me more about it? Tired? Did you go to the emergency room? Yeah. And did you go... Oh. Is your camera stuck? Okay, there you go. Down by your diaper? Just a long day, huh? Ready for some medicine and some night-night? Uh-oh. Where'd your camera go? Yow. Are you going to school tomorrow? Holland? No, you're not going to school. You're staying home. You're sick. Oh. No school tomorrow for the pootie. You gotta stay home and snuggy. Yeah. Because you're a sick baby. Yeah. Snuggle up. Alright, I'll see you later. I'm gonna go get you some medicine, okay? Yeah, love you. Love you. Yeah, I do love you. See you later. Love you. Bye-bye.